What's going on, guys? Today I have to replace the O2 sensor on my 98 Chevy Silverado. Not a hard process, but I do want to show y'all how it's done because it can happen to anybody with these older model trucks. They go out all the time, especially if you're looking to buy one. This is something that you'll be indicated on the dash. It'll have a maintenance light pop up, but you won't know that it's O2 until you go get the code ran. So that's exactly what happened to me. I was driving around and the code just popped up. So I went over to one of the local hardware stores and they ran the code, and it happened to be one of my O2 sensors. Now, on my truck, there are two of them. There's an upstream and a downstream. Now you have to be certain which one it is, only because the code will tell you, but you just want to make sure you get the right one. This is your downstream, which is after the cat. And you have your other one up front, which is your upstream, which is before the cat. The one that I have the problem with is my downstream. So this is the one we're gonna change. Super simple process. Little clip right here we gotta undo. And this is, I believe, a 22 millimeter nut. And we're just gonna screw this off, unplug it. And then I'll go through the whole process with you. Very simple, but this is something worth knowing just in case anybody wants to do it and they don't want to go get charged a fortune for a shop to take 15 minutes to do this. All right, so got my wrench. First thing I'm gonna do is unplug this. Pretty simple on mine. There's a little pin right here. I don't know if it's on yours, if it's been changed before or not. And you just lift this tab and unplug it. Super simple. This is the hard part. I gotta get my wrench. And I'm sure with this truck being really old, it's on there tight. So let's put some force behind it. And they come out. And you can hear how cruddy this is. Get it out. Yeah, that thing is beat. So now, check it out. They're a little bit different, however, the threads are the same length, and the little end piece is the same length. So I don't see why they wouldn't work. So it comes with this little anti-seize that you want to put on there, high heat. You just want to put a little bit on the threads all the way around. I'm kind of using it to wipe it in there. Just a little bit on there. All right. We're going to put it back in. That in there. Get my wrench. Be a little tough. You're supposed to do it to about 35 pounds. I'm just gonna do it to where it's real tight. Right there. Seems real tight. I'm going to come from this angle. Get a little bit more rotation. Okay, I think that's good. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to come right here it is plug and play. And I'm just going to reuse this clip. Hold it so it doesn't back out. Take the cable, tuck it back up top, and we are done. That's simple. What I am going to do though is when I get up to the top, I'm going to pop the hood. I'm going to disconnect the negative on the battery, wait a couple seconds, and then reconnect it so that it refreshes all the codes and to make sure everything's all good. But it's that simple. Just got done hooking the battery back up. Let everything get going. And no more code. So, all good. So, I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. I got a couple other things planned, but it might be a minute before I get them done. I've got a lot of work I got to do these upcoming weeks, so it might be a minute before I post another video, but just make sure you stay tuned. I'll see you later.